Hello! Today I'm going to be unboxing the Highbranch Giraffe family. So I got this family from Amazon, and I also got the Pony Friends set from Amazon as well, which I'll also be unboxing soon. I think that's the only place they're available at the moment in the UK. It's the only place I've seen them was on Amazon. So yeah, I was so excited to see that they were on there, as I didn't expect them to be available in the UK this soon. So that's really exciting. They look so adorable. So now let's open them. Right, so they come with a catalogue and a storybook. So let's see what their names are. Right, so we've got the father, Egbert, mother, Olive, and the babies, Bran and Bree. So they're really cute names. So it's Bran in orange and Bree in red. And then Olive and Egbert. That's such a cool name. So I'll show you the pictures in here, and you can pause it to read it if you want to. I like that photo of them on their heads, that's really cute. The end. Right, so now I'll show you the packaging. So it looks like the babies are standing on 2 tree stumps. And it's got the normal flowery background with the trees and the sky. And you can see that this set also comes with a camera and some binoculars. So now I'm going to get them out. So here we have, oh, their tails! Olive, the mother. So you can see their necks, as Sylvanians don't normally really have necks. So the giraffes do, because giraffes are known for their long necks. So they have actually got necks. I really love her dress, with like a giraffe pattern on the skirt. Her little tail is so cute. It's kind of like the cow's tails and the lion as well, I think. Same shape. Oh, their faces are so adorable. So we've got Olive. And now for the babies. Bran. Even the babies have like little necks. That's really cute. Oh. And Bree. I think the orange looks really cute because it matches their markings on their face. Oh, it's fallen over. Because I've got them on my new cobblestone plates that I got for Christmas, so they're struggling to stand up. So this is Bree. No, she's so cute. And lastly, we've got the father, Egbert. He's so cute. He's got a giraffe print pocket on the front of his dungarees. I love his outfit, so cute. And lastly, I'm just going to get out their camera and binoculars. So now you can see the background of the box better now that the giraffes are out. So you can see here's the tree stumps that the babies were standing on. So it's kind of folded out so it's 3D. So now I'm going to get these little bits out. It's really cool that they come with some accessories. There we go, should be able to get it out now hopefully. Oh, yeah. So here we've got the camera, little brown camera, and some gold binoculars. They're really cute. So now I'm going to put the binoculars and the camera on Bran and Bree. So I'm just going to carefully put it over the top of his head. Like that. Oh, he looks so cute. And then we've got the camera for Bree. Like that. The giraffes are also quite a bit taller than the rest of the Sylvanians. So here we have the mother, and then this is a rabbit next to her, and her ears are like the top of the giraffe's head, so the actual top of the rabbit's head is quite a bit lower. So that's interesting that they're quite a bit taller. I think with the older families there was more of a difference in height, like for example the koalas were quite short, and I think the badgers were quite tall, and like the Slidell foxes. So I'll show you them next to the giraffes as well to give a bit of a comparison. So here we have the Billabong koala mother. I'll put them there, just standing in a line. Like up to the neck, the top of the neck, at the bottom of the chin of the giraffe. And then we've got the Slidell fox mother, who's a lot taller than the koala and almost as tall as the giraffe, so it makes sense for the giraffes to be the tallest. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, bye!